A lot of people ask me, Nirmit, is it really required to develop public speaking skills? Now, let me give you a fun perspective. First of all, public speaking skill is one of the most important communication skills. Whatever you're doing in your life, if you're able to communicate well, then you just go to the next level. Now, let me explain this with the help of an example. Supposing there are two people, person A and person B. Person A has an expertise of the level of 7. Expertise, I mean knowledge, skill and experience. But he has very average communication skills. On a 10-point scale, it will be around 4. On the other hand, there's another person, person B, whose expertise is around 4 or 5. So he has a very average kind of an expertise. But his communication skills are excellent. His communication skills are on 8 or 8.5. Now you tell me, how will these two people be perceived by the audience? The person who has an expertise of 7 but communication skills of 4 will be perceived as a person with an expertise of level 4. On the other hand, though this person has a very average expertise level, but since his communication skills is of 8 to 8.5 level, he will be perceived as that kind of a person, an expert. Now, is this happening to you too? Are you too feeling that you're missing the limelight? Are you feeling that you are not able to charge the amount of fees that you deserve? If you feel you are in that state, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you your money map. This video is divided into 2 parts. In the first part, I will be talking about the ROI. So whatever investment you make on your development as a public speaker, how will you get the ROI, return on investment for that? In the second part, I will be showing you your money map. How you can, from wherever you are currently, you can start charging high ticket. The Indian speakers market is already so huge and it is expected to grow at the rate of 5.37%. So 1, public speaking skills. Second, it increases the confidence in your own stance. So you move around confidently, speaking to people, you definitely have a very powerful persona. Third, career growth. Whatever you're doing, whether you are an employee in some company or you are having your own business or whatever you're doing, your career growth is definitely guaranteed if your communication skills are very good. And fourth, you can have any more specific goals like branding, etc., which I'll be talking about a little later. Now, what does this open for you? All this will be covered in Power Speaker. It opens a lot of opportunities. Opportunities like you can have a very good online presence. Today is an era of social media and whatever is seen on social media has a maximum reach. So you can be a brand online. Your online presence improves. Second, you can be a keynote speaker, you can MC, you can do the ads, or you can be a motivational speaker. Wherever you are, whoever you are interacting with can get inspired by the way you speak. Another kind of opportunity is you can become a coach. You can become a coach of public speaking itself, because that itself is a great skill to have. Or if you are in any other niche, supposing you are a coach of, say, fitness and you are holding webinars, then again, public speaking skills is something very important that you need to develop. So what does it mean in the terms of returns? What kind of returns do you get this way? So if you are a keynote speaker, you can easily earn around 5 to 10 lakhs. If you become a brand, then again, you can have a net worth of around 50 lakhs easily. And if you want to become a coach, then again, it is very easy to scale up to 50 lakhs per month. So if you see, with a bare minimum investment of around 1 lakh, you get 400% to 800% return. Money map. The starting point is Rahul, who is 32 years old, who has always dreamt of becoming a power speaker. And on the final destination is Kartavya, 36 years old, who is a professional speaker, travels all around the world, holidays in Maldives, and earns 10 to 15 lakhs per month easily. How do you go from Rahul to Kartavya? What should be the trajectory of Rahul so that he becomes a professional speaker is your money map. This is your money map. So Rahul is at the starting point. He needs to first build his public speaking skills. So what does he need to do? He needs to get a coach, a very good coach who can mentor him personally and who can take him to the next level. A coach who has already given results. Once he develops his public speaking skills, then he is ready to go to the next step. Next step is to showcase your public speaking skills. So here you can make reels, you can make YouTube videos, you can do offline events, you can participate in competitions, you can be a keynote speaker. All these places you will be showcasing your public speaking skills. Once you have had enough experience of that, you're ready to go to the next step. Next step is to launch. To launch your own program. To launch and start monetizing. Next step is to become a brand. Once you become a brand, your net worth increases. You can run ads. You can have more people in your community. You can inspire others. And once you become a brand, then you can start charging whatever you want. Your dream high tickets will follow. There are so many speakers who have taken this trajectory and positioned themselves as professional speakers, or even if they are doing something else, they're coaching in different fields, in different niches, still they're monetizing, they're asking for whatever they can charge. If you want your personal ROI map, click on the link below and get in touch with us. Now you tell me, isn't it worthwhile developing this very important skill which will help you in any area of your life, any sphere of business, or any sort of profession that you're taking up?